Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
All good, all good. So shall I call you Chris, yeah?
Yes, my name is Chris. Yeah.
Cool. Okay, well, I just wanted to get you on a quick call because obviously I've looked at the account information, you've made it to level 2. Um,
Uh,
and I just wanted to find out a little bit more really about your style of trading, what you're currently doing, and how you've actually managed to get to level 2. So where are you actually trading from? Where are you in the world?
okay, I'm trading from Nigeria.
Okay, okay.
Yes, from
And
Nigeria. Yes.
how long have you been trading?
Okay, I've been trading since 2018, precisely November
Okay,
2018.
cool.
Yeah.
And have you used other prop firms before, or have you just traded your own money? Or
I was trading my direct money.
yeah,
Yes,
okay,
I was trading my direct money. Forex UK is my first funded platform.
right, okay,
Mm,
okay.
yeah.
And why did you choose us? Why did you choose our prop firm?
Pardon?
How come you chose the Forex Traders UK for your prop firm?
Oh, okay. I think they are doing well.
Right, okay,
They are doing
okay.
well. So
And
were you asking why I chose them?
yeah,
Okay, because they are fair and friendly and
right,
career based. They are career based.
cool.
They are fair and friendly.
And what's your
Yeah.
experience been like so far?
No, my experience so far is good. Good. They are really good. Their customer service is very impressive. Their customer service very impressive. Yeah.
So with your, so can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see, but
Yeah, so
not
this
too
is,
clear.
yeah, this is the account that you passed. So what would you say your main trading style is?
Okay, I trade mainly on breakouts.
Okay.
Breakout. That is what I trade mainly on.
And do you have a plan that you strictly follow?
Yes, I have a plan, and I try to follow it strictly. I try to do my best to follow the
Okay,
plan. Yeah.
cool. Um, so I can see that you've traded lots of different pairs. Is there a
Yes.
main pair that you trade, or do you just how do you go about finding opportunities to trade?
Oh well, my favorite pair is Pan USD. However,
Okay,
all the pairs are also are my favorite because once they have the right setup, once they have the right setup, I trade them. Yes.
and
Any
how
pair.
do you look for the setups? Like what do you need in order to make a trade? Have you got certain rules
Okay.
or?
Yeah, I have some rules. First of all, I identify key levels. Key levels. I establish key levels that is support and resistance levels. I use a higher time frame, weekly and daily, to establish support and resistance key levels. Then I zoom down to lower time frames, like 30 minutes or 1 hour, to look
Get your
for
entry.
your entry, good structures like head and shoulders,
Yeah,
double bottom, breakout channels, and all that.
yeah,
That is
patterns
it.
and stuff
That
like that. Yeah,
is
yeah.
there's those patterns, but I don't enter those patterns with higher time frame because the stop loss will be huge. Yeah.
Okay. So I can see that you've
Mm.
placed 98 trades, 41 profit, 57
Mm.
loss, although you were still able
Mm.
to maintain good risk management parameters, and you've actually been able to successfully get the target. So it makes me,
Mm.
I can see that the risk to reward ratios are very good. Profit factor is above 2, which is
Yeah.
pretty outstanding. And
Mm. Mm.
yeah, your average profit is far greater than the average loss. Uh,
Mm.
biggest biggest profit 51, biggest loss 25. So the performance is pretty amazing. Um,
Mm.
the only thing I'd probably say is I notice some of your trades have not got stop losses.
You say, pardon?
So I can see here, like there's been a couple of trades where there hasn't been any stop loss. Um, what happened there?
Okay, okay. Some of those trades were like, how will I say? I have a trade, a trading plan on daily plan. You get what I'm saying? On daily, and those kind of trades are done on a very short time. You
Right.
understand?
Okay.
They are monitored trades, but it's on a very extreme level that I do that. Mm.
Okay.
If not,
I think
uh,
in future, I mean, because what I don't know if we've already told you this, but
mm,
we require all of our traders to place stop losses on all of their trades. So
okay.
whether you do have a certain strategy or a plan of more short-term trading, or you've got a
Mm, mm,
certain
mm,
setup, still
mm,
place a stop loss, whether it's, make sure it's always inputted, and maximum of the 1.5% on low risk. Obviously, there's no maximum on the more aggressive account, but just
yeah.
always make sure that you've got stop losses in place. But
Mm,
I can't see that as really hindered your overall performance, because you've still been able to uh,
mm,
do very well over a large
mm,
sample of trades. I can see there's many trades here,
mm,
but the overall performance is very good.
mm.
So what would you say to new traders? Like um, obviously you've been in the market for a couple of years now.
Yeah,
Would
yeah.
you say the most important part of trading is in order to do well like you have done?
What I would tell the people that are out there that are trading is risk management is the
Yeah,
key. Like if you watch, I had issue with the two first account I created with you people wasn't successful. Are you get what I'm saying? And what
yeah,
happened was because of the risk management. I didn't really take, note of that £125. Are you get what I'm saying?
yes,
Mhm. But subsequently, I have to put the £125 into consideration.
yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
And
So
the
what I
losses are
do,
very small.
yes. So what I do actually is once I fund that account, once I start with the account, I start with risking 1% of the capital.
Yeah,
So when I risk 1%, if the first three trades are successful, I will maintain the 1%. But if the first two trades are not successful, I have to step down to risking 0.5% until I normalize again. I enter into risking 1%.
mm. That's a good
Mm.
strategy. I
Yes, yes,
definitely like
yes.
that. I can see that the biggest loss is only £25. So yeah, you are right with the 1%. But
Mm,
most of your trades are even less than that, less than 1%.
mm,
So what you've done is quite incredible, really, because a lot of traders who do come through us, they don't actually understand that,
mm,
and perhaps they might place a little bit too much risk or go a little bit too deep on one trade, whereas you've kind of
mm,
um, really managed your risk quite well across the board. I
mm,
think this is your next account. Um,
mm, mm,
yeah, so the 10K, which you're just
mm.
getting started on.
Yes,
In
yes.
slight drawdown, but nothing to worry about really. Um,
Mm,
I think there's not really that many trades been
yeah,
placed yet.
yes.
Obviously, we need to
Mm,
see more. But we can see here,
mm,
average profit is still above the average loss. Um,
mm,
Profit factor needs to be a little bit higher, but I'm sure that that will increase as you place more trades and over time.
yes,
But
yes.
take it steady. I think you're in a small amount of profit already, floating on that
Mm,
account. But
yes,
if you just
yes.
take it steady, just like you've done with your first account, then I think that you could probably even get to the next level, and then the next level, and then the next level,
Yes. Mm,
hopefully.
mm,
But
mm,
now you are a level 2 trader. Obviously, you can withdraw the profit at any time. You don't have to wait to the next. You don't have to wait till you've hit your profit target. But
okay.
yeah, I mean, what's your plan going forward then? Is it to continue being a prop trader, or you want to trade for yourself long term, or how do you feel like your plan's going to be long term within trading?
Yes, I really want to, build a sustainable system, a high probability trading system, so that if I take 5 trades, I should be sure of winning 4. That is it. And
Okay.
also, I want to go into mentorship. I want to really help people to overcome the challenges I had all these years. I want to go into mentoring people, helping
Okay.
people out to, build a sustainable and consistent, system, trading
Yeah.
system that
Well,
will be simple and effective. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, you've already developed a small track record with us, even, so we can actually see that you are a profitable trader who has been able to reach that profit target of 10%. And yeah, it's just about where we go from here, and hopefully we can see you achieve the next 10% target, and then you'll receive the full amount of capital, and then on from that, really. So yeah, is there any other questions you have for us, or do you have any other questions?
No, I don't really have any question. But okay, let me ask, like this account that I have now,
Yeah.
what is the maximum level I can reach with that account?
So the 10,000, yeah.
Yes, yes.
So the max equity stop out is 500. If you can see my screen here.
Yes, yes.
So this is
What I
the
mean is, if I understand, what I mean is, if I hit my target, if I hit this target now,
yeah.
what level am I entering?
What do you mean when you hit your target, your profit target?
This £10 account.
Yeah.
If I'm able to hit my target on this account,
Yeah.
what happens?
You go to 20,000.
Then if I hit the 20,000, what happens?
40, and then
Okay.
80, and then 160,000. Yeah. So what you've done from this account here. So obviously you've hit profit target, and that's on 2,500. So that's 4 times the initial to level 2, and then every other level now is double. So basically it goes 20,000 and then 40,000, and then as your accounts grow, the equity stop out obviously gets bigger. So for example, on the 20,000, it will go up to 1,000 equity stop out max, drawdown, and then the profit target gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So obviously you're a level 2 trader now, so as I said before, you are able to withdraw profits whenever you like. There's no cap, obviously. If you do want to maintain a small buffer to actually try and get to level 3, then obviously that's a strategy as well that some traders do apply. But yeah, I'm very happy with what I've seen from your level 1 account. You did go into a small amount of drawdown, but you picked it up quite quickly. And as I said, yeah, profit deals 98. Total trades 98. So it's a good large amount of trades. So we can actually see, a good amount of growth from that, which is very difficult in this game. Not many traders do produce results like this. So it's good to see. Well, that's about it, really. I didn't want to keep you for too long. Is there anything else that you wanted to add, or any other further questions?
No, it's okay. Your system is good. You are doing good. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
With your
Okay.
I'm impressed with your system. Yeah.
Have you logged into the dashboard, like what's on my screen now? You've got access to all of this, yeah?
Yes, I've logged into my dashboard, but not now anyway. But I have access to it, to the dashboard.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I won't keep you too much longer then. So yeah, if you don't have any other questions, I'm happy to let you go. And yeah, hopefully we can see more profits from you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Cheers, Chris. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Cheers. Bye-bye. Bye.